Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify product schema markup for rich results in Shopify. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section in the left-hand menu. Click on the pages or products section, depending on where your schema markup is applied. Select the specific page or product you want to verify. Scroll down to the search engine listing preview section. Click on the Edit Website SEO option. Here, you'll see the current meta title and description. Review the structured data added to your product. Next, open a new tab in your web browser. Search for Google's Rich Results Test Tool. Click on the tool link to access the testing interface. In the tool, you'll see a field to paste your product URL. Copy the URL of the product or page you are verifying. Paste the URL into the Rich Results Test Tool. After pasting, click the Test URL button. Wait for the tool to analyze your page. Once the test is complete, view the results. Look for any errors or warnings in the structured data. If there are issues, note the specific areas to correct. Return to your Shopify admin to make necessary adjustments. Once changes are made, retest the URL using the Rich Results test. Repeat this process as needed to ensure proper schema markup. Confirm that your page now appears eligible for rich results. Document your findings and any actions taken for future reference. This process helps improve your product visibility on search engines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.